Now then, guys, we're back in Benidorm at the Rovers Return British themed pub. Now this is the menu we're eating from today. I've gone for the Dutch Friedel, I've made that name, and a hot dog, and I've also gone for the back of ribs. The hot dog was €5, this was €7. And let's get to it. Now, the bun was basically two halves, so straight away I had problems trying to pick it up, but it tasted absolutely amazing. Big bite time, big bite. Get it in me. There we go. Chips were hot. You can tell they've just come straight out the oven. And they're quite nice. Now I asked the waiter what was his option, and he said the rack of ribs. So I went for them. And I was quite surprised. These were actually quite good for the price as well. €7. Now this is the only downfall to the whole thing, was the rice. The rice was a bit dry. I don't know if it's been left in too long or they're just not cooked right, but it just wasn't sitting right. Now look at these ribs. The ribs were meaty, juicy, and the sauce on them just perfect. Nice barbecue. Oh, look at that. The meat on that just comes stripped straight off the bone, that does. So tell me, guys, next time I'm in Benidorm, where should I go to? There we go, no meat left. Perfect. This is the end of the actual rib, and the meat on it was thick, nice and juicy, saucy. If you like this, by the way, hit the like. Look, the sticky fingers. So yes, Rovers Return Benidorm. If you go, tell them Dawsey sent you.